What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem here. Now in today's video I'm going to make a quick update video on the PS Portal right here. Now a lot of concern is that should you buy this PS Portal for gaming? I can say yes and I can say no depending on what type of gamer you are. And if you're first time, just gonna put it out there, if you're first time buying an handheld game, you don't have the PS station itself, I don't recommend you buying this because the cloud streaming on this is not so great. I mean, cloud streaming has come a far way, but if you're a person who live in a remote place who doesn't have any strong signal of Wi-Fi, you will struggle with this right here. It's just like a sitting duck you will have in your house because you won't be able to play any game with this, especially as I said earlier, if you're a person who don't own the PS station itself, like the console itself. So if you're buying this independently to game on this, I can say that to save up your money, don't waste your money, because there are other options out there of some handheld game that you can buy without have to buy this right here just for cloud streaming. Because this right here without the PlayStation itself, to me, is quite useless if you don't have any strong Wi-Fi signal. So before you go out and purchase right here, make sure that you have good connection of Wi-Fi in your house or mobile connection. Now, my Wi-Fi inside my home, I'm getting roughly like 15 megabytes, sometimes 10, sometimes it goes up to like 20, and I can say that to play a game on this, it is really a struggle. I have to hook up this to my game, my console itself, where I can just play a game on it. And also something that I want to mention about this right here is that this right here costs something like $200, and if you are going to cloud streaming, you have to pay another like $200 or $150, somewhere around that region, for the subscription for cloud streaming itself. So you can see right there the cost really goes up, and the experience of this while cloud streaming is not so great in my experience between my internet issue and the cloud streaming on this right here. Now my recommendation is that if you own a PlayStation and you just want to game away from your system, you want to go inside the living room or somewhere else inside your house, you can use right here without having access to your TV, so you can lay on your bed and sometime on this place right here. But if you're buying this independently to game on, I would say that don't waste your money, it's not worth it. And yeah, that's my advice. So thanks again for watching. Hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace. I'm out.